Hi, I'll show you how we have integrated with Google. So first thing is the login with Google. So you can, if you hit, you can say with Google, say whiteboard.chat. And now I can log in with my Google account to look at all my boards that are stored. Right. The second thing is with Google Drive. So I can upload. So I can go to upload files from Google Drive into whiteboard.chat. It'll ask me which account, and I can pick any of the files here. I'll just pick. So you can see I can upload files from Google Drive, and then to put whiteboard.chat as an assignment into Google Classroom, I can use the share in classroom from the invite button, and then it will take me to my Google Classroom. I can pick the class, I can make it an assignment. That's it. Google Classroom and assign. That's it.